Good day, my name is Nash Eje Lau Garcia from BSN 111Q. So, for me, I stand for pro-contraception. I support the availability of contraceptives, and everyone must be allowed to decide when to have children to have control over their bodies and future. Besides providing people with an opportunity to plan their family and space their pregnancies, contraceptives are essential tool in avoiding pregnancy and averting the need for an abortion. One of the primary pillars of pro-contraception is the right to personal autonomy and the ability to make choices regarding one's own body. It makes people empowered to decide on matters to do with the reproduction by providing them with several forms of birth control. Family planning reduces the concern that an unwanted pregnancy will deter a person from attending a college degree, a career, or personal development. Moreover, contraception is a fundamental component in the improvement of women's rights and gender equality. It makes women responsible for their bodies. For the first time, they have control over the ability to bear children, their health and ability to earn a living, and can therefore make concrete decisions that will enhance both aspects. Due to its use in enabling women to space their childbirth and ensure that they are both physically and mentally prepared for childbirth. Contraception is also another key factor that helps to reduce the rate of maternal death.